Hello everyone, this is HighTech Tutorials back with another interesting video. Today, in this video, I'll show you how you can save someone's WhatsApp status to your phone, without the use of any new application. But before we continue, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So, without any further delay, let's start the video. First of all, you are going to open WhatsApp and make sure the status you want to save is downloaded and can be viewed. Next, you need to open your file manager and, in the settings, turn on Show Hidden Files. Then open your WhatsApp folder and go into Media folder and then the .statuses folder. Find the status which you want to save, and copy it into another directory in your storage. And there you have it. You can now have access to the image or video on your device until you delete it yourself. And the status is still there on WhatsApp, so you don't have to download it again. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then leave a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. But that is all for today, and I'll see you all next time.